Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a payment on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're a vendor and you want to go ahead and request a payment for goods and services that you've done. So with that being said, Coinbase itself, it's this blue and white app over here, guys. Make sure that it is up to date so that you could actually follow along with the latest version. At the time of the recording of this video, I am on the latest version as well. So with that being said, if you haven't signed up for Coinbase just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up as well. And once you do, we'll each get $20. So here we have our Coinbase app actually opened up. Now, in order to actually request a payment on Coinbase, you're going to click on the upper left hand side. And then from here, you want to go ahead and actually scroll down. So from this page here, you're going to see a variety of different buttons. You're going to click on request payment, which is located on the right hand side. So here you have a variety of different options. You can actually change the type of asset that you want to request. So for my example, I'm requesting USDC, but maybe I want to request. So if I'm requesting Bitcoin, I can enter the USD amount here. So for our example, we're going to request $20 worth of Bitcoin. And then we could also add a note. So for our note, we'll say this is for flowers. So on this page here, you need to actually enter the email or name. So you could actually send crypto to a friend on your contacts list. So your contacts list on your phone, your iPhone, or your Android can actually be integrated with Coinbase itself. So for our example, just enter an email up top, and then with that, you should be able to actually go ahead and send a request. So I'm just going to send a dummy email here. So once you enter the contact information, you're going to see a confirmation page here. So it simply just says that I'm requesting $20 of Bitcoin from the email, and then there's the note, and there's the amount, and then there's the asset. So simply click on request now, and your request should be sent. So this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a payment on Coinbase.